Okay, what's up? Just quick update today as to what I'm gonna do next week. I'm gonna start 7 books in a 7 days challenge next week. I contemplated this a long time. It's really at the end of Sunday, so I'm at last minute making the final decision because I got a lot of on my plate at the moment, but I still decided to take on this challenge of reading 7 books in 7 days because that's after all what this site is all about, pushing your comfort zones and taking on audacious goals. So that's what I have other projects on the plate as well for next week, but I'm gonna keep you updated on how this 7 books in 7 days challenge goes and what it seems like completely random, but it will all, I will elaborate it further in my text again. The opt-in video should be up in a couple of days and everything's going fine, so keep reading the blog and we'll see you in coming days. Bye.